Welcome to Egyptian Spices Bazaar. And here we come! Mga ka-sweet langs, ang sabi nila dito, madami daw free taste, pero kailangang i-look after mo yung sarili mo dahil para palang divisoria dito. Pero it's all about food, mga ka-sweet langs.
Turkish baklava is very special delicacy in Turkey. It has been passed from generation to generation. Every tourist must try this delicious dessert. Turkish baklava is also known as fish leaf baklava or pistachio baklava. It is rich, buttery, and sweet dessert made from phyllo dough, finely ground pistachios, butter, and a syrup made from sugar, water, and lemon juice. On every corner, shops offer free samples of their products. When tourists like a particular taste, the marketing works. People will most likely buy it. In the bazaar, you can see wide variety of products. Fresh fish, sweet delights, baklava, and of course, so many different spices. Every seller has their own technique for selling their products. Based on my experience, they all have unique strategies that will make you say, "Yes, can I have it, please?" I really feels like it's magic, I would say.
Mga ka-sweet langs, may nabili na tayo. First, look at that. So may nabili na tayo mga ka-sweet langs, isa lang. Kasi bawal bumili lang madami. Dahil halos lahat gusto kong bilhin. Ang gaganda ng, ang gagaling ng ano dito, ang gaganda ng fashion. Ang ganda ng mga damit, mga coat, grabe. So nakabili na nga tayo ng coat, mga ka-sweet langs. And tinanong ko kung saan galing yung coat kasi parang may resemblance siya sa mga design sa Shein. Pero yung fabric daw is Turkey. Pagtingin mo naman sa tag niya, walang nakalagay na made in China. Nandun yung Turkey na tag. So, masaya ako dito kasi masaya ako dahil gusto ko talagang magkaroon ng coat na maganda. Yung ibang nabibili kong coat kasi sa UK is minsan hindi akma yung sukat niya, minsan masyadong mahaba, yung iba ang sikip sa likod. So ito talaga yung size ko. And yeah, I'm so happy. Unang budol, yeah. Wala pa tayong masyadong binibili kasi natatakot ako dahil nga yung luggage namin, baka mag-over luggage kami, ma-overweight yung luggages namin. Hindi ko na-afford mag-add ng additional luggage kasi another 40 pounds na naman. And in here, nagpipicture pa. So dito mga ka-sweet langs, another mosque. I don't know kung ito din siguro yung isa kaninang napicturean namin. But the thing is, iba-iba kasi yung angle niya ba? So, we are here at the Gold City. Gold City.
Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. While I'm gonna leave you from here because I'm going to enjoy my gold shopping. Kung may pambili guys. Yun lang for today's video. Bye mga ka-sweet langs!